everyone, in this session we are going to see how to play rock paper scissors game using microbit. Before entering into the session, let me introduce myself. I am Gayatri, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, 3rd year, Aruna Engineering College. The main objective of this session is to learn about rock paper scissors game using accelerometer feature in microbit and also using the logic blocks in coding to represent all the possible outcomes. Now let us see what is rock paper scissors game using accelerometer feature, how does it works and winning rules for the game with simple project. Here the winner is decided based on the random output of rock paper scissors. Each time the player shakes the microbit, the rock paper scissors will change in microbit and also the score is displayed to the user in microbit using LEDs. Now let us see the demonstration of how to implement a code and upload it in a microbit. Here we have to search as makecode.microbit.org. It will take us to Microsoft Editor window. Here we have to click on New Project and give the project name as Rock Paper Scissors and click on Create button. Now the editor window will be opened. Here we have to implement a code using blocks. To create a new variable, click on Variables, then click on Make a Variable and enter the variable name as Players and click on OK. Now the Players variable has been created. Then go to Advanced, click on Array, then drag and place the set block into a start block. Then change the variable list as Players by using drop down box. Then reduce the array size. Now click on radio button, drag the set group block and paste it below the set block and change the group number as 10. Now again click on radio button, then go to more, then drag the set transmit serial number into the start block. On start block setup has been completed. Now we move for forever block. Here again we have to create a new variable named as tool. Variable tool has been created. Click on radio button and drag the send number block and place it in a forever block. Place the variable tool inside send number block. Now click on logic, drag if else block inside forever. Again click on logic, equal to comparison block is dragged and fixed inside if. Change the variable as tool. Now go to basics, drag the show LEDs block and fix inside the if. Here we have to draw the picture of a rock. Now click on plus symbol to make it as a nested if. Again go to logic, equal to comparison block is fixed inside else if. Change the variable as tool and change the 0 to 1. Now go to basics, again drag the show LEDs. Here we have to draw the picture of a paper. Again place the show LEDs from basics into else part. Here we have to draw the picture of a scissor. Again go to basics, drag the show number block and place it below. Now go to array, drag the length of array block and fix it in a show number block and change the variable as players. Now we have to create onShake block from input, which is used to change the image randomly on shaking the microbit. Now go to array and drag the set block and place it inside the shake block. Change the variable as players and reduce the array size. Again go to array and drag the set block and place it inside the onShake block. Change the variable as tool. Then go to math and drag the pick random and place it inside the set block. So this is our final code. Here we have onStart block, forever block, onShake block and radio received block, which is used to connect the two microbits via Bluetooth. Finally, we can download the code here. Then connect the two microbit with USB. This light indicates that the microbit is connected. Then click on Show in folder, copy the file and paste it in a microbit. This blinking light indicates that the code is being uploaded in a microbit. Follow the same procedure for copying the code into another microbit. Once the blinking has been stopped, we can assure that the code is being uploaded successfully. Now the code has been uploaded in more the microbits. Here, one player got rock, another player got scissor. So player 1 got 1 point. The point is displayed on the microbit. To explore more project, take a visit on www.arunai.org/iiot. Thank you.